YouTube. I don't know whose attitude is worse, Anissa or this snake when he smells food. But, oh, look at all that blood. As you can see, I'm about to try to feed my retic a rabbit. It's been thawing out. It's a 2.5 pound rabbit. So, yeah, man. Let's see. Does he want it? Oh, I think he's going. I want him to come out of the cage, though.
Oh, you trying to feed him?
Yeah. He gonna eat it, too. Woo! Strong snake. Quick, big, strong snake. These are the longest snake in the world. And actually, back in the 90s, there's pictures of them like this thick with little ass men that used to catch them. Woo! Yeah. I would not want to get bit by this motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh, he has no aim. There we go. Oh, yeah. Damn. That would have been my arm or my leg. And then I would have had to. Alright. It's late at night. And Anissa is pissing me off all day. So since it's fucking me, fuck y'all.
I'm hungry and he don't want to feed me.
Starve until the morning.